Right, I'm just uploading this quick little video. Lots of people are messaging me regarding DABZ on the Android head units and how to set it up. They keep getting a little notification popping up every time they turn it on because they haven't moved to the correct file. So this will be a run through of how I set up DABZ, and then you can work it from there. Right, so first up, I'm going to uninstall DABZ and we will start again. That's now gone. So you want to make sure you've got Wi-Fi. Then go to Play Store. Where's my Play Store? There. Search DABZ. Install. So if you're having this issue with the pop-up, delete it and start again. It's the easiest way to get round the pop-up appearing. Open. It requires a DAB plus USB adapter. Looks like that. Buy them on AliExpress, Amazon, etc. I always go for blue. Blue. Yeah, that one. And I always have mine in night mode, so it's always dark. Layout, yep, stay like that. And enjoy listening. This pop up here, documents, DAB. Please select document DAB in the next dialog. Okay. So that's gone to documents, DAB. Wait, documents, DAB. That should be it, yeah. Use this folder. Allow. Close that. Scan. Just pause your moment while this is scanning. Right, so that's finished scanning for me. It's only found 23 stations, which is all I get in Northern Ireland where I live. If I went up to one of the bigger cities, I might get more channels. So once that's done, you got this here. Radio DNS logos. You want to update those, and then that will download the pictures, the actual icons onto the screen itself, rather than just saying the names. So it should get 23 for me. 21. Might take a moment. We'll just pause you again. Right, so that's done all 23 logos now. So if I go home, I've got all the logos across here rather than just saying the name. Then we go to settings, appearance, night mode. Then down here, you got all your different, so you can change the image sizes. Okay, where's the other ones? Text on the screen. I'd move all of these up to 10. Work my way down the list, going through all 10. And now, when I disconnect, oh, hang on, one other setting. Is it under general? Automatic start on boot complete. So once the head unit boots up, that will turn on. Because I don't run Android Auto, so that won't interfere with that. It will always turn on DAB. So if I turn my ignition off now, just let that shut down. When I turn it back on, automatically goes straight back into DAB. Is there anything else? So yeah, that's how I set it up. And so yeah, when I turn my ignition off, I don't get the notification saying that you need to move it into a file. It's already moved into a file. You do that at the beginning when you set it up, and they're all the stations that I get. I only really listen to absolute 80s, 90s, and yeah, radio too. There you go then, guys.